How to fix black and white screen in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on modes and routine, scroll down, click on sleep. Now turn on sleep. After click on turn on sleep, black and white screen will be fixed from your phone. Now go back. After that, again open settings, scroll down, click on accessibility, click on vision enhancement, click on color correction. Now in color correction, now turn on this button. After turning on this button, fix black and white screen from your phone. This is how you can fix black and white screen in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.